And if I'm working up on the ladder, my clothes stay clean and I have the tools I need and grab. Here I am, all nice and decked out with an apron, protecting myself against dirt and all. We have a denim apron. It's a tool apron. And this is what it looks like. Suspenders that we need to hook up. These are the lanyards that are going to go on your bottom towards your waist. This is the strap that you're going to adjust. Hook on to the belt loop. You have an inner loop to hang the apron over your ring through the eye hole. Of each side. And tie a simple knot. I need to take some tools with me, a plumber's wrench, a hammer, a screwdriver, a pair of gloves, my cell phone. This is the apron. It collects all the dirt for you, rather your clothes. I hope you enjoy this product for your work needs, no matter what it is. Thank you very much for viewing and enjoy your apron.